All right, welcome back. If you're just tuning in, this is High Desert Gardening Redneckified. And our next project is potting up thornless blackberries. These are bare root plants. And let's see, let's grab one right here. Let's get this big guy right here because that'll be a good demo. All right, so got this big one right here. Nice extensive root system. It's starting to break dormancy and bud out and everything. So let's get it potted up. First thing we want to do is put some dirt in the pot. Next thing we want to do is put the plant in the pot. And we've got a little issue. So if you see, we got roots all up and down here. That's okay. We're not going to worry about it too much. But what I am going to do is a little bit of trimming right there. I'm going to save that. It'll root. Let's see what we ended up with. Okay, we're right about there. So we're going to bury roots. We won't get them all buried. These roots are going to stay outside, but this is a blackberry plant. And one thing about blackberry plants is they are extremely resilient. All right, so we've got that thing buried up pretty deep. I'm just going to go ahead and trim some of these off of here. Just kind of make it look a little better. And it's all potted up. It's ready to go. Let's pot up another one. We'll pot up this little guy right here. Once again, put some dirt in the pot. This one doesn't need any trimming or anything, so we'll just stick it down in here. Kind of rearrange a root. Put the soil in all around it, nice and even. I'm going to kind of pull it up here a little bit. Won't hurt it. And there it is, ready to go. All right, so that's potting them up, and when we come back, should have all 100 of them potted and ready to go.